We are leaving Nephi, headed to Salt Lake City. When we woke up this morning, it was 27 degrees. It was cold.
A little chilly, but it's okay. Sun's out.
Yeah.
It's warming up.
It feels good.
It'll be a high of about 60 today here, I think. But we're not going to be here. We're moving further north.
That's it. Taking I-15 north. So we'll catch up with y'all.
Turn left on I-15 north.
In a bit.
Draper, Sandy, Murray.
Well, driving through Salt Lake City. It's not too bad so far. Got a gorgeous view. This is Sunday morning. We left Nephi at 9 a.m. and it is now 10:19. Smooth sailing. What do you think, Mr. C?
Good. Well, we left about 9:15 though. We had to get our sleepy heads up.
Yeah. They forgot to set their clock.
Man, it's so much fun. They were still in the time zone we left.
Yeah. 379 right there at that Maverick.
Yeah, they're all the way up through here like that. 370.
That's nice. So fuel prices aren't that bad either, y'all.
Better than down in Arizona. $1 more down there. 450, 490.
Yeah.
Well, that's the way it is.
Pretty nice drive this morning.
The road's been very good too. A little rougher around Salt Lake City, but 15's been really nice. Smooth. A couple bumps here and there. I give it a 4 out of 5.
Yeah. Yeah. Not bad at all. Kim will be happy that the traffic's not bumper to bumper.
Well, it's going to be what it's going to be. Should start thinning out up here after Brigham.
Yeah.
I don't see all these people going to Idaho.
Best time to come through Salt Lake City is Sunday morning.
Yep, that's one of the best times. We've been through it other times. We're out it, buddy.
Oof. Sunday morning is the best.
Sandy, is this snow getting close enough to creeping to you now?
Let's go build a snowman.
Ain't that something? Man, that is beautiful. Wow. Be nice and green come spring. Indian Rocks Free Campground, Idaho, in McCammon, Idaho. It's about 40 miles north of exit 47, I think. 45, 47.
Somewhere along in there.
Right north of the Utah border into Idaho. It's an ex-state park, and they found out it's too close to the interstate, so people didn't come to it.
Yeah, Interstate 15.
Yeah, I-15's right over there. And you can hear it from here when there's not a lot of wind, but it ain't that bad. Inside your rig, you don't hear nothing.
Right.
But it's so cool here because all the rock formations and all. That's why I guess they call it Indian Rock.
And 360-degree views. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the views are just, we've never been here this time of year. We've always been in late summer or early fall. And this is the first time we've seen snow here. We stopped here a few times. This is our third or fourth time here.
Yeah.
Here.
There's Kilimanjaro over there.
Yeah.
And Sandy and Doug.
They got lakefront, you know.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
special. Well, they're our bus people. You know, we have a few bus people. When we have them with us, we take good care of them.
That's it.
But they didn't want to have to unhook and back, so
Right.
they're all hooked up. It's beautiful here, and it's not
It is.
It's about 48, 50 degrees.
Mm,
When the sun pops out, it feels even better. But I think tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Monday, Tuesday here, it's supposed to rain or snow.
it's
here.
50 degrees.
It's supposed to rain or snow here Tuesday, but we'll
That's-
be on up the road.
Yep.
We're headed to Dillon,
Dillon?
Montana tomorrow. So once we get to Dillon, I'm pretty sure it's a year-round open area like this one here.
Yeah.
It's controlled by I think it's BLM.
BLM. Yeah.
controls
I
that
seen
one, too.
BLM at the entrance when we came in.
Yeah, this is by BLM, and I think the one in up
Dillon.
there is BLM too.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the way the BLM does their stuff. You know, hey, something here people can't use it. It's not popular. Make it into something useful.
That's it. There's like 4 of us in here. And there's 17 or 18 sites.
Yeah, some of them you might have to clean off a little bit, like that one's got some weeds around. They're not used that much. People don't know
Right.
about it.
Yeah.
A lot of people, there's a KOA, and it's a bunch of people in it over there.
But this is right off the interstate. Easy on, easy off.
It's about a mile. If you follow Google when you come to Indian Rocks here, don't go past the old park entrance. It's right there on the right as you come across the bridge to the interstate, and the interstate ramp exits and entrance.
Right.
It's right past that, an eighth of a mile. You'll see the old state park, what's rock pillars.
Yeah.
You'll see those. That's where you turn in, because Google wants to take you down the end of the road and back around, and that's
Right.
you don't get in here through a back road.
No.
If there ever was one, I don't know where it's at, because we haven't found it. Unless it's down that trail.
That
back
muddy
there.
road right
That's
there.
a muddy trail
Yeah.
back there. You don't want that. So you want to come in right up close to the interstate there. You'll see the old
Pillars.
pillars from the old state park that was here. And but it's, hey, for free. You stay here 14 days.
Mm-hmm.
And right across the road, they got a diner, Flying J truck stop, a few amenities, A&W restaurant over there. It's, you know, and you got some little towns. You're not too far from Pocatello, Idaho,
Right.
which is kind of a big city. So it's like 50 miles, 40 miles up the road maybe. But yeah, what a beautiful place though.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous views.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, not too bad. I'll take it for free.
Sure enough.
Yep.
Okay, well, today is
Sunday,
Sunday,
the
the
23rd
23rd.
of April.
Yep.
2000.
Our second day on the road to Alaska.
Yeah. Down underneath.